the puppies are now into their 4th week. We've introduced them now to canned food. And what we do is we've been mixing them with goat milk, although we ran out of goat milk last night, and with it being icy and snowy, we're going to switch over to our baby's whole milk stash. So basically, the puppies don't have teeth yet. They're being 4 weeks old. They're on the move. They're getting very vocal. Their eyes are open. They're acting like, what you'd expect a little puppy to be acting like. They're not acting like little babies that just sleep all the time and do nothing. So with that, since they don't have the teeth, you want this canned food to be pretty soupy, pretty easy for them to eat. So let's go ahead and feed them. So these little bowls work really well when you have a litter of puppies. We bought this one off of Amazon, and then we also have a pan that's another 3 or 4 inches bigger. So if you're raising puppies, this is a great food bowl because it kind of forces the food around the outside, which means more puppies can actually get in there and eat versus just trying to put it on a plate or just a bowl in itself. And we have not weaned them yet. Piper still spends most of her time in here. Although when we feed the puppies, we'll put this in and then we'll let Piper have about an hour or so of being upstairs with us now. And they're eating anywhere between 1 or 2 cans about 2 to 3 times a day. We're trying to get down here 3 times a day to do this. Some days it's only happened twice, but again, they're not weaned. Piper's still in here with them, so they still are nursing. This is just more or less the transition period of teaching them what food is, get them used to actually eating real food. So in a couple more weeks when we do go to wean her, the puppies are already used to this, and it's not going to upset their stomachs, and it's not going to be a drastic change for them. And then as they start getting teeth, give them another week or 2, we'll probably start reducing the liquid aspect of it and just start giving them the canned food. And then another week or so later, we'll actually do canned food and dry food. So that way when they're 7 and 8 weeks old, we can switch them over to just dry food. Alright. And that's what their mush looks like. Yummy. And also now that we're into week 4, we've gotten to the point where Piper is no longer able to keep up on keeping them clean and keeping them pen cleaned. So we're now at the point where we're laying down newspapers and pulling them up. Right now we're pulling them up and changing the newspapers twice a day. Here in another week it's going to probably be 3 times a day. It gets pretty gross pretty fast. So with raising puppies, that's one of the things you just want to try to do and stay on top of, is just keep things clean. The cleaner you can keep them, the healthier the puppies will be. Yeah, so let's bring puppies in.